Talk. Go.
Hi, I'm gonna sing the 12 Days of Christmas and a coffee maker. Here we go. Starting soon. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the
was
second
good.
day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves, a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker. On the third day of Christmas, my
Partridges
true
were
love gave
good
to
too.
me
And the
three
pigeons.
French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
I like
and a coffee
it.
maker. On the
I
fourth
guess I like
day
to
of
feed your chicken.
Christmas, my true love gave to me four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six geese a laying, five golden rings.
Is that all you do is eat
four
birds?
calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and some coffee makers. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven swans a swimming, six geese a laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker.
Okay, we're going to Tim Hortons.
Eight maids a milking, seven swans a swimming, six geese a laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker. On the ninth day of Christmas,
We fire Timmy's.
nine ladies dancing, eight milks a milking, seven swans a swimming, six geese a laying, five golden rings.
When the fuck you gonna need a
four
cow?
calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true
Fuck, I need steak.
ten lords a leaping, nine ladies dancing, eight mouse a milking, seven swans a swimming, six geese a laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker.
And steak and potatoes.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying.
The fuck were they smoking in that pipe?
golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a coffee maker.
And a steak and potato now.
The 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
Fuck, it's about time. Gravy.
11 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 mouths a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a glorious coffee maker.
Steak and potatoes. And the 12th day was gravy. Jesus Christ, you know how old those potatoes are now? Nah, just kidding, they were yummy. Everybody have a Merry Christmas, and we love y'all. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and do what you want to do. Okay? You know what? This is all for fun. We don't care. If you don't like it, give us thumbs down. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Hey, subscribe. It's free.
Yeah.
Be my friend. I like to be yours. Maybe.